Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your assets safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, with the crypto world evolving fast, transferring funds between exchanges can help you diversify, take advantage of better rates, or just keep things organized. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need your Crypto.com account logged in on a secure device, and your Coinbase wallet address ready to go. Pro tip: double check that your Coinbase wallet is linked and funded if needed, nothing worse than a hiccup mid-transfer. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app or website and head to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Tether, USDT, balance and select it. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there, front and center. Next, enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste in your Coinbase wallet address. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so copy it accurately to avoid any mix-ups. Then, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, these might be lower with improved blockchain tech, but always confirm to keep costs down. Once that's done, review everything carefully. Check the amount, the address, and any confirmation messages. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify with two-factor authentication for extra security. That's your safeguard against scams. After initiation, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Coinbase wallet app to watch for the deposit. Once it shows up, you're golden. If anything goes wrong, don't panic. Most exchanges have support chats to help out. And there you have it. Withdrawing Tether from Crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.